Good morning. We're about to go to the gym. I'm going to attempt to put my hair in a bun. We here. Yeah, this is the workout hair. Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Halle J here. For those of you who are new, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you receive notifications every time I upload, so you do not miss a video. Day one of my fitness journey. I am excited. I'm just a little tired and I haven't eaten, and I'm basically going to, what do they call it? I can't think of the term, but like I'm gonna work out before I eat. So yeah, and I have like my meal plan ready and everything. So after I work out, I'm gonna have like a post-workout shake, and then I'm going to make some breakfast. But let's head to the gym. So I just ran a mile. It took me 11 minutes. Okay. It took me 11 minutes and 26 seconds. So now I gotta do 10 push-ups, 10 tricep dips, a 1 minute plank. My handwriting is terrible. A 1 minute plank and then 10 burpees. So I think I'm gonna go in the other room. There's a lot of people in here, so I'm gonna go. See. So I'm definitely very much so out of shape, because as y'all can see, as y'all can clearly see, your girl is out of breath and your girl is struggling, okay? Struggling. But it's only day one, y'all. At least I made it to the gym. I'm trying, you know. We out here in these streets. You know, I did my little workout for the day. I logged my hours. Well, it wasn't even hours, probably like 30 minutes. But that's all you need. Get your heart racing, blood flowing. And yeah, we're gonna lose this weight. So now I need to make it home so I can drink this post-workout shake. Look, she's logging out. She's logging out. Check the belly out, you know what I'm saying? This is where we at with the belly. Stomach's a little hairy, but that's okay. Ooh, we being real transparent today. So I made my shake. And I just mixed some coffee and protein powder. I need to put this in a blender next time because like it was hard to kind of like break the powder down, I guess you could say. You know, it's not the best, you know, thing in the world, but you know, we're not drinking it for taste, so it's all good. It's all good. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna take a shower because I'm doing good. Am I doing good on time? I think I am doing good on time. Definitely doing good on time because it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna take a shower and then that's when I'll come in here and make breakfast. Yeah, I'll try to film some cooking content, but y'all, I'm not no chef, okay? It's not gonna look aesthetically pleasing. It might not look good, but I'm gonna cook it and I'm gonna eat it. So I'll be back when we in the kitchen. I'm making a savory breakfast skillet. So I'm gonna need bacon, egg whites, bell peppers, and red potatoes. So let's get that out the fridge. Oh, this is gonna be like a cooking show, even though like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna cut everything over here because I just feel like, see, and the lighting's better. I think this is the angle we're going for, right here, because the lighting is beautiful. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this freaking lighting? Come on, come on, get into it, get into it. Okay, let me stop. Okay, I guess I cut this off then. Get into it, period. Okay. Struggling. We can go ahead and start frying our bacon. Y'all want up close first on the bacon? Okay, come on. Let's go over here to the bacon. Oh, y'all hear that? Listen. That's what your skillet should sound like. That's how you know if it's hot enough. Y'all hear that? Right there. That's what you need. It doesn't look, you know, maybe if I put it in a bowl, it would look better. I needed more egg whites is what I needed, but you know, I ain't never really just ate egg whites like that, so I didn't know how much I needed. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I burned my tongue last night because I be eating, that's my problem. I be eating food when it's too hot and remind myself. I don't really eat bell peppers like that, y'all, but I'm gonna try. Okay. Okay, I can do this. I can definitely do this. I'm eating at 11, so I'll have my snack at 1. Okay. I like this. So we're currently trying out a new foundation combo, and I love it. Like, look at that. I love it. I mixed the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in 420. This is what I typically use, but it's just, I don't know. It be looking so light, and it still looks, you know, this foundation still looks, you know, lighter, but, you know, it's fine. This is a quick little makeup look. I need to go to Houston. I need to get a new tire, which I've been dreading going to get. But my mom's like, come on. We're supposed to be hanging out today. So this is my e.l.f. Concealer in Deep Olive. This is a hydrating one, I believe. Yeah, this is the hydrating one. So I'm gonna let her sit for a while. I typically don't like to put like concealer here. She's definitely giving the girls what they need. So y'all, let me go put on my outfits. I have no idea what I'm wearing, and I'll be back. Okay, hey y'all. I was rushing out the house, so yeah, and I didn't record in the car because y'all, my phone's cracked, so my screen is like glitching and tripping and all that. So I'm here at the hookah spot. Me, my mom, and my aunt are gonna, you know, do a little hanging out, eat a little bit. Yo, this is so cute. This is beautiful lighting. Eat a little bit. So I'll see y'all when I get inside. Y'all, my battery is dying. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna just vlog a little bit on my phone, but yeah. I'll see y'all in a bit. Hey y'all, I'm just closing out the vlog. I've been slacking on Vlogmas too. It's just I've been trying to get it together. We're back. We're back. Bear with me. I'm trying here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love y'all. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And if you're, you know, feeling good today, if you got a little time, leave a comment, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and bed it down. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.